Midway through the 2018-19 season, doubt about the New York Islanders' long-term viability in Brooklyn, coupled with the renovated Coliseum and a clamoring from fans, created a perfect storm for the Islanders to return home. There was just one problem. The Coliseum's antiquated metal halide lighting system would not satisfy the NHL's rigorous lighting requirements. That's when Frank O'Brien, electrical foreman at the venue, decided to take matters into his own hands and began researching the latest innovations in LED sports lighting.
As soon as I looked into Ephesus and saw this new LumiDAP fixture, I felt pretty confident that's the one we wanted to go with. Basically, it would be good for the arena for a good amount of time, and it was upgradable, and we could basically do whatever we needed to do with it.
When O'Brien informed the board about the unique capabilities of the Ephesus LumiDAP sports lighting system, they knew it was the right system for this multi-use venue.
Well, basically the LumiDAP fixture, it's RGB, so we can do any colors we want. It's full color tuning temperature-wise, so we can make it any color temperature we want. And we can change the beam angle on every fixture to whatever we want. So not only can we use it for hockey, basketball, but we can do special programming for any other event that we need in the building.
LumiDAP provides facilities with a lighting system that's more than just a series of fixtures by offering greater visibility, control, and flexibility than ever possible. With a touch of a button, you can control color temperature for different events, optical beam tuning for precision light placement to fill the entire venue as fans arrive, then just light the game once the action starts. And if you think this technology makes a system too complicated to operate and install, you'd be wrong. In fact, O'Brien and his team installed the system themselves.
First, we started by removing our old lighting system, which required 2 crane trucks. Once we got the Ephesus lighting fixtures on site, we were able to carry those up to the catwalk by hand because they were tremendously smaller fixture. So basically, we started by hanging the Ephesus catwalk bracket, which is an unbelievable design, very simple, safe. After those were installed, we proceeded to hang the fixtures on each of the brackets. We hung each fixture off the bracket, powered each fixture up, and then we ran all the network cabling to each fixture, which the network cabling is basically the control for all the fixtures. Once we had all the fixtures powered up and all the data lines and control run to everything, we worked with Ephesus with their phone app. Basically what that is they go around to every fixture. Every fixture gets a fixture number, basically an IP address, and they commission the fixture to a default state.
And when it was time for the NHL to determine if the new system would meet the rigorous standards, O'Brien was not surprised that the patented technology made the approval process a snap.
NHL lighting consultant came in after the lights were installed, took all his readings. We met NHL spec without any issues or having to even move one fixture at all.
And although these features and functionality are important to building operators, what really matters is the environment that LumiDAP can create to enhance the fan experience, to make a good game great, and a great event the memory of a lifetime.